Won't believe how fast Creep Pizza is running. Look at it go. That is Peach Creek on the north side of the bridge. And it is right underneath the car. You can hear it. Look at the water churning. It's amazing. The speed of it is just incredible. I've never seen it like this before. May never see it like this again. So I'm gonna shoot some more video. Nobody coming. I'll run across the street. Look at this! Oh my gosh! Looks like he's caught himself something too. Never seen Peach Creek like this. It's the size, it's at the Missouri River. Thank you. There it is. This is how you can tell how high it is. And there's the embankment. On the other side, there's the car. This is amazing. All the way up to the edge. And splashing off the bottom of the bridge. That's what it's doing here. Look at this. Splashing off the bottom of the bridge. Unbelievable. And this is just today. This is days after peak flood. This was all underwater completely. Oh, I'm so glad I got some of this on video for those of you who didn't get to see it.